This glowing path looks truly magical today. Let's carefully explore where it leads. Look, Lily. These sparkling blue mushrooms shine brightly tonight, like tiny stars beneath trees. This forest feels amazingly magical and beautiful today. Every corner seems filled with wonder. Emma, stay very close beside me right now. Someone feels nearby watching us. Look down, Emma. Strange glowing footprints appeared here suddenly. I wonder who made them. Let's carefully follow these mysterious footprints together. They may lead somewhere very important. Tiny fairy lights are dancing everywhere around us. This feels exactly like a dream. Did you see that wizard, Emma? I think he stole the glowing crystal. The forest grows darker every moment now. Something feels terribly wrong around us. Even the animals seem worried and frightened. We must discover what's happening here. These flowers are slowly losing all their colors. The forest magic is fading. Look, Emma, a wise deer approaches us calmly. Maybe it can help. The deer says the crystal was stolen away. That's why the forest suffers. Then we must find the crystal quickly together. Our brave journey begins now. These magical butterflies seem friendly and helpful. They're showing us the right path. Walk carefully across this sparkling bridge, Emma. The river below looks very deep. Wow, glowing fish swim beneath the water beautifully. They look magical and amazing. This dark fog feels strange and frightening today. Stay very close beside me. The wizard keeps using powerful dark magic. The trees are becoming weaker. Look inside this hollow tree very carefully. A hidden map awaits us. This map reveals the sacred crystal's location. Finally, we found an important clue. That bright beacon shines from the distant hill. Let's climb there quickly. Those bright birds are guiding our journey today. They want to help us. Watch out, Emma. These vines block the entire path. We must pass through. Together we can escape these tangled vines. Don't give up, keep moving. The ancient stone gate opens before us slowly. Our magical journey continues ahead. Look, Emma. A glowing cave appeared before us. The crystal may be inside. This cave is filled with shining crystals everywhere. It's absolutely amazing to see. A giant crystal guardian is waking up now. Stay calm and respectful. Great guardian, we mean absolutely no harm today. We want to save Forest. The guardian trusts our mission completely now. He's allowing us forward safely. The sacred crystal shines beautifully before us. Powerful magical energy surrounds everything. Oh no, Emma. The wizard found us again. He's trying to steal it. Run quickly, Emma. We must protect the crystal today. At all costs. Animals are helping us escape safely. They're protecting us from danger. The wise deer uses powerful forest magic, blocking the wizard's path completely. We finally reached the magical forest's heart today. After a long journey, the ancient crystal altar glows brightly before us, shining with incredible power. The wizard returned once again today. This is the final battle. All forest creatures are watching us closely. They're counting on our success. Raise the crystal high toward the bright sky. Its magic can save everyone. Amazing, a powerful light spreads everywhere now, across the entire magical forest. The wizard's dark magic is disappearing fast. We are finally winning today. Look, Emma, the trees glow brightly again. The forest is healing. Flowers bloom beautifully throughout the forest today. Magic has finally returned. The animals celebrate happily around the crystal altar. Joy fills the forest. We did it, Emma. We became heroes today of this magical forest. A beautiful rainbow light fills the woodland, spreading wonder across every corner. Goodbye, magical forest. We will always remember this amazing adventure for Eve.